Assalamu alaikum kids. Today we are going to do an EPL activity, pouring water. Today we are going to do this activity. EPL means exercise of practical life. This is a whole sequence to pouring. This is an activity that is really going to help the child with eye-hand coordination and concentration. This is an activity to pouring water from jug to glass. By doing this activity, students will be able to learn control of moments, eye and hand coordination, how to pour the water, balancing of a jug. Today I am going to show you how to pour water without spilling. For this activity you can use glasses of different sizes. Here are 3 glasses of different size, a jug of water. Lift the jug, bring closer to the glass and pour. Pour slowly. Yes. Now pour in next glass. Yes. Now pour in to the next glass. Yes, in this way. Put the jug back and clean the jug. Kids, see, I have not spilled any water. If you have spilled, then clean it with napkin. Today I showed you how to pour the water without spilling. Now do this activity at your homes. You need a jug and a glass. This activity, pouring water, will be helpful to learn control of moments, eye and hand coordination, how to pour, balancing a jug. Stay home, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.